Hi guys, I have a new unboxing for you here again today. This is the E-FLITE rear bear. You can get this with the AS3X stabilizer, or you can get it as B&F with just a receiver, or you can get this as P&P. So I got the version P&P, plug and play. So what I have to do with this one is to add my Spectrum receiver to my Spectrum controller, and it's ready to fly. I have heard that this takes about 5 minutes to put this plane together, so I'm gonna have a look at that later, how long it will take. But now I'm gonna bring you a little closer to the box. Here we are, Horizon Hobby Rear Bear Advanced High-Speed Airplane. Cool looks, lightweight, high-speed thrill, capable of 100 miles per hour plus. Look at that. Propeller is very small. A good looking plane. Recommended. I'm using a DX 18 Spectrum transmitter. I'm going to use a 5-channel receiver, 4S battery. One I have over there in the box. Gonna show that later. There is the back of the box. Zeros. Air vents, I think, on the side there. And here I'm measuring the plane in the air, 104 miles per hour. This has a 70 amp ESC. You can see it's 880 millimeters wingspan, 865 millimeters long. It's not very heavy, 1.3 kilos about. You see, 70 amp ESC, 1200 kV brushless motor, 416 grams metal gear servo installed. Easy to complete final assembly. So yes, I'm gonna have a look inside the box. It opens from the end here. Slide this out. Here we are. The instruction manual. How to assemble the plane. It's in 4 languages. Maybe some setup and things. I don't have the AS3X, so I don't have to look at that up. Only using my regular receiver. I'm flying the plane and not the plane flying by itself. Get off some tape here. Have the wings, bright colors, with the aileron, not very big, but it's gonna fly pretty fast, so they don't have to be too big. The of the wing. As you can see, I have protection here because it's gonna land without a landing gear. It's a belly lander plane. Here's some support for the ring. This carbon fiber. So, one down here as well. Here is the fuselage of the plane. I'm going to take out these small rear wings first. And fuselage. Now that's it. That's all in the plane. That's all in the box. See, very small propeller. So I'm gonna spin very, very fast. It's a scale pilot as well. Here it has a EC3 connector. I'm going to change that out with my 4mm bullet connectors I'm going to use as I use in all my planes. I have to attach the battery with the Velcro here. We have the servos. So I have to attach my receiver here, Spectrum receiver. Mount this plane together. Don't think it's gonna take too long. As you can see now, this one has to be in here. Like that. And that wing on the other side. This one here. We have the cable here for the aileron. I'm going to stick this one in the hole here. I need to get this cable in here and get it out. Fish it out from a hole inside the fuselage. There I have it. I'm just gonna slide it in like that. That's one side. On the other side, same thing. I have the hole here. Goes in there, and this one goes in the plane and up in a hole. I'm gonna show you that later. Like that. Grab this here. Like that. So here you can see, I don't know if you can see it from here, and the holes here, where the wires comes out. That's the front wings, and we have this at the rear, another carbon fiber. I'm gonna stick that in holes hole here. It's the same procedure. No wires or servos in this one. I'm just gonna slide it in. Have the hole here. See. Like that. That's one. On the other side as well. Same, the hole. This goes in that hole. Like that. And there is a... It has to be fit. This has to fit in here. And the other one. It's a little fiddly, but see if I can get the right. Okay, like that. Then they are both connected. And the last thing is the servo has to be attached here. I'm going to do that. Okay, that's that. Yes, that's done. I don't know if you can see it. There. So, what I need to do now is to take this Spectrum AR500 receiver and connect to the plane. I'm gonna bind it up with my DX18 QQ transmitter, and I'm gonna use this battery 4S LIPO. It's a Wild Scorpion 4200 milliamps. I don't know if this will go with the plane because it says 3300 to 3500 milliamps. So I don't know if this battery is too heavy, but we're gonna try. I think maybe it's gonna work. This is 35C and have this EC3 connector, comes with the plane. Yes. We have the throttle, goes into the throttle slot here. We have a rudder. It all says rudder, aileron, elevator on the EC, so it's very easy. Rudder goes in rudder. And we have elevator. We have the elevator. Goes over there, of course. But now I need something for the ailerons because there are two cables. So I'm gonna see if I can find something I can use. Here it is. It was in the box with some screws. I have the cable I need, so that is okay. Because there are two, so I need to plug in both in this. Like that. And this one in the aileron on the receiver. That. And they are all in and ready to go. Now I need to plug in the battery and bind up the plane with the transmitter. I got a bind plug here. I have to put this inside the bind slot on the receiver. Like that. And I have to set up a new plane on the transmitter. I have a plane I just sold, so I'm gonna reset that model on my transmitter. Reset, yes. And it's the same type. I'm gonna write in the model name. I have wrote rear bear now. I'm going to bring it back. Model type. It's this time a type of plane. That's okay. And there's nothing fancy here, just normal wing. Yes, that's okay. Here we have the rear bear. So now I'm gonna bind it up with the receiver. Since I have the bind plug in, I'm just gonna attach the battery here, and the light on the receiver is flashing. You see there? And I'm gonna hold this button in while I'm turning on the transmitter. And you can see it says binding. Now it's binded. Everything works. So what I'm going to do now is to mount these screws for the wings so they don't fall off in the air. See if the throttle is working. It does work. So this has to be fun. Yes, in the next video I will be flying this plane for the first time. And I hope it will be good with a 4200 milliamps battery. Hope it's not too heavy. Yes, thanks for watching and bye bye.